Yeah, I just got a whole bunch of Kool-Aid. Call me the Kool-Aid Man. Oh yeah. All right, new topic of all. Hollowed halls of AstroTurf. What's up, guys? It's KCC travel day. I am so tired. Okay, story time. So I went to CollectorCon 2 weeks ago, and right after CollectorCon, my tooth on this side of my mouth, because I had a filling and it fell out like a month ago and I just haven't dealt with it. And well, actually a month before this, so it's been anyways, it had fallen out a month previously, and so I'd been like, I'll deal with it later. May and June were just too busy, and July, so I was like, maybe I can hold out. Well, right after CollectorCon, my tooth was like, hey, you are in horrific levels of pain. I was in so much pain. I needed to start my competition build for KCC, which I hadn't done yet. Again, this was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks. And so I spent that week in horrific levels of pain. I had to be on antibiotics. I was taking pain meds like every 3 or 4 hours. Otherwise, the pain was so bad I wanted to bash my head into the wall. It was so good, guys. Anyways, I survived it. I had the tooth extracted last Saturday. So literally not even a full 7 days ago, because it's Friday. So yeah. And then on the Friday after work, I was finally kind of feeling well enough that I could start working on my competition build. So I made this entire competition build in 7 days with going through a tooth extraction. I should be using a microphone right now, but I'm not. Whoopsie. 1 sec. Okay, we're now mic'd up. Cool. So that brings us to today. I literally finished sewing on the snaps for my competition build this morning. I hot glued the backing onto my mask. Look at this cool. Oh my God. There we go. What are we thinking? That's everything I need to pack. So we're doing Sailor Scout Nightwing day 1 and Care Bears day 2. So yeah, this is it. I also have like a cute outfit over here, just in case we go to the after party. Look at this wig. Look at it. It looks so much better in person than it does on camera or anything like that, and that to me is so sad, but whatever. I am bringing my bathing suit because we have a pool at the hotel, and so that'll be really nice. It is gonna rain all weekend though. We're gonna be in Kelowna, and it's gonna be cold and rainy and like muggy, so that's gonna suck. But I need to finish packing. Oh yeah, we'll see if I end up going to the after party on Saturday, because like I'm already really tired. I was up I got mic 2, but this one I don't have the clip on it, so I gotta hold it. I guess we go pack. I'm not filming that. We'll get back and see if I can fit all of this into my little carry-on. We're driving up because it's only like 4 hours. But yeah, I want to be unconscious. That's my goal. That's my dream. But I can't do that. So yeah, let's go pack. 5 pairs of underwear is normal for a 3-day trip, right? We're coming home on Monday. We're only there for a full, like, 2 days. I lied. It's actually 6 pairs of underwear because I might shit myself 3 times or 6 times or something. You never know, right? Like, you never know. So I always pack a lot extra. I had to take my bathing suit out of my suitcase. We're not going to the pool to relax tonight. I got my period. The universe keeps finding ways to humble me. Cool. We're in the car. Hello, we're in the car. We made it. We ate food.
I didn't eat.
You haven't eaten yet.
I'm fucking driving. But
I have it right here.
No, I'm just kidding. Oh no.
Popcorn. Popcorn. There we go. Anyways, we're on our way. That's all I have to say. Yeah. I love BC. I love driving through this area of BC. It's so pretty, even in the rain. Cause like the fog, it looks so cool. Kelowna, we made it. This is our crib tour. This is actually my first time seeing the bathroom. Ah, yes. It is an old building, but not too bad. It's only the place we hide our bodies at night.
You should show the hallway.
No, oh yes. It's very back rooms. It's so incredibly back rooms. Oh, wait. Wait, can you hold it? This is so incredibly back rooms, and like, we have to walk all the way back that way and then take like a several lefts and several rights to get back to the lobby. But luckily, it comes with a door to the outside, like a motel. And so, yeah, so we can, oh, how do I, oh, there we go. I'm so good at this, see? Just outside. Which, it's a good thing. There's also a deadbolt, so that way, you know, gonna get murdered in our sleep.
It's also good that you're not posting that right now.
Oh yeah, absolutely. This is not getting posted till after. Yeah, so we're at the, I don't actually remember the name of this hotel.
I have no clue.
The Ramada, I think it is?
That sounds right.
Yeah, anyways, now we're waiting for the car to get here so that way we can put our shit in here. And then, I'm hungry. Hungry. A beverage would be nice. You know, I almost forgot my toothbrush, and that was the last thing that I put in there. Yeah, because I remembered you being like, "Oh, my toothbrush," and I was like, My toothbrush!
I have two, so I put one in when I said that in the chat, and then I just used the other one the next morning. So work smarter, not harder.
Exactly. So yeah, I'm tired, man.
We made it.
We made it! No one died! we are unpacking. We are unpacking. Everybody say hi.
There's no bed bugs.
There's no bed bugs.
There's no bed bugs.
No bed bugs.
I think.
Hopefully, we'll find out. Yeah, and then food. Oh, are you vlogging too?
vlogging
Wait,
too.
Vlogception.
Oh my god.
Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go eat at some point, and then what did you say?
We're gonna go to Mr. Mike's.
I thought you said we're gonna go do drugs.
We're gonna go do drugs?
Yeah, that's why I was like, what did you say?
Cora's right across the street.
Ooh. Do you want to get hate cried into Cora's again?
That's the one.
It is Kelowna.
It could be.
Oh my god. But yeah, we
There's also a Denny's. Oh, there's a Denny's like
nous arrivons dans la ville de Kelowna. It's always funny to me, like going out of the accent. You take that off. Take it off. Woo! Okay.
Make sure you're not getting the mirror in there.
Oh no! I was making sure. I was doing this.
Fridge in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a fridge in there.
Drawers.
In the fake drawers.
In this fake drawer.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Fridge.
Fridge.
In the fake drawer.
Yeah,
In the fake
other
drawers.
Fake drawers and shelves.
Why? It's because drawers are more expensive.
These ones are drawers though.
So, fun fact, because I used to work at a cabinet shop, a drawer bank like that is like 2 to 3 times more expensive than just doing the shelves.
Don't do this then.
Yeah.
Drawers in the middle and
Yeah.
do the
Yeah, like just do the cabinet doors, but you know, they want the symmetry or some fuck.
middle.
Yeah,
Homophobic.
it is homophobic. And during Pride Month. I'll show you guys this back room freaking hallway.
We're walking, but we're not getting any further.
Yeah. No, and you have to take so many weird turns.
I feel like I'm in that movie. What the fuck is that?
The back rooms.
Red Rum.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just this crazy hallway.
My brain does not work right now.
And especially with these like, like it's just, yeah, it's the same one every time. So you really feel like you're in the back rooms. And then it's, yeah, this way. And then this way. And then this way. Like it's this whole thing. Crazy. And then we're finally out of here. Oh, I'm so sad about the pool.
It's open right now.
Yeah, and then we're in the lobby, and then we're gonna get some food, cause hungry. There's a rainbow! Woo! We went to the dollar store for things, and then I saw a rainbow. Rainbow! So, yeah, I just got a whole bunch of Kool-Aid. Call me the Kool-Aid Man! Oh yeah! And then we what? Sorry?
I said, do you want to buy a rainbow too?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. We'll see you next. Like, look at that rainbow! Now that's where you'd find your pot of gold. That is crazy. Hello, Future Cass here. Just to tell you that this vlog is unfortunately going to be split up into 3 parts because my editing app just would not edit all of the footage together. So I'm going to put it into a playlist so you can watch it all together, and I'm going to upload them all at the same time or like one day after another instead of making you wait like 3 weeks to finish this vlog. So stick around for the other 2 parts of this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!